Math 3, Unit 5, Modeling with Geometry. As you start this unit, here's a quote about mathematics that you can reflect on. Math is how we describe our world when words are not enough. Everyone deserves to speak math and to play math, to enjoy its beauty and its power. Jeff White. The big ideas for this unit include three-dimensional shapes and their uses. You will be deriving formulas for volume and surface area, for prisms, cylinders, pyramids, and cones. You will be using visualization to help you create three-dimensional shapes by rotating two-dimensional shapes, as well as identifying the two-dimensional shape created by cutting a three-dimensional shape. Key mathematical tools that we will use in this unit include formulas, equations, and diagrams, and interpreting them in context. The first two lessons of this unit, you will examine how to calculate volume and surface area for three-dimensional shapes. In the context of building sandcastles, you will derive the formulas for prisms, cylinders, pyramids, and cones. In the next lesson, you will study two-dimensional cross-sections of three-dimensional shapes. You will learn to visualize the effects of slicing three-dimensional shapes such as prisms, cylinders, pyramids, and cones, and identify the resulting two-dimensional shape. The next two lessons move into solids of revolution. It is called this because you're studying the three-dimensional solid shape that is made when you rotate a two-dimensional shape about an axis. You will learn to visualize what shapes are formed by the rotations and how to calculate their volume. The unit wraps up with using all of these skills in the unit to model situations and solve problems. You will apply the concepts from solids of rotation and volume to solve a problem in the context of construction. Here is a list of key vocabulary terms for this unit. Some of these vocabulary terms should already be familiar to you from previous courses. Here are some key skills needed to be successful with the content of this unit. You should be able to find the area of triangles, quadrilaterals, circles, and irregular shapes, solve single variable multi-step equations, and visualize shapes. In addition to your teacher and school-based resources, there are several additional resources available. The Ready, Set, Go homework help videos are housed in the Canvas site for your class. You can access these in Canvas using your student login. If you do not know how to log into Canvas, ask your teacher for help. The K-12 Math Resources website, which can be found on your school's website, includes additional support items such as unit and lesson overviews, videos overviewing the tasks, essential vocabulary, the North Carolina standards for each unit, learning targets for each lesson, and extra practice problems.